Hello, and welcome. I'm SM, and today we journey into the heart of Malaysia, a land where ancient rainforests meet futuristic skylines. Here, vibrant cultures blend, and nature's wonders unfold in every direction. We've captured Malaysia in stunning 4K, so you can experience its spirit as if you're truly there. Let's begin our adventure and discover the soul of Malaysia together. Our journey starts in Kuala Lumpur, where the Petronas Twin Towers dominate the skyline. These iconic towers, once the tallest in the world, symbolize Malaysia's ambition and cultural heritage. Their design, inspired by Islamic geometry, merges tradition with modernity. 88 stories of steel and glass shimmer in the sun, transforming into pillars of light at night. The Sky Bridge, suspended 170 meters above ground, offers breathtaking views and a sense of floating between giants. From here, Kuala Lumpur unfolds, a tapestry of history and progress. The city's hum fades, replaced by a sense of peace and perspective. Standing atop the towers, you're not just a visitor, you're part of the skyline. The Petronas Twin Towers are Malaysia's bold statement to the world. They embody the nation's identity and limitless aspirations. We leave the city for Langkawi, a UNESCO Global Geopark of 99 islands. Here, the Langkawi Sky Bridge curves gracefully above ancient rainforest, suspended from a single towering pylon. The journey begins with a dramatic cable car ride, revealing emerald canopies and turquoise seas. Stepping onto the bridge, you're 700 meters above sea level, the jungle stretching below. Glass panels offer dizzying views, while the bridge's gentle sway reminds you of nature's power. From this vantage, the archipelago and even Thailand's mainland come into view. Eagles soar, hornbills call, and the rainforest breathes beneath your feet. The Sky Bridge was airlifted into place to protect the forest, floating above rather than cutting through. It's a marvel of eco-sensitive design, blending human ingenuity with nature's grandeur. Here you walk among the clouds, touching the sky. Langkawi's Sky Bridge is a symbol of harmony between progress and preservation. Just outside Kuala Lumpur lies Batu Caves, a sacred site for Malaysia's Hindu community. A towering golden statue of Lord Murugan welcomes visitors to this limestone hill of temples and caverns. Climbing 272 vibrant steps, you share the journey with pilgrims and playful macaques. Inside, the temple cave's vast dome and shafts of sunlight create a mystical atmosphere. Ornate shrines contrast with raw stone, echoing with prayers and ancient energy. Batu Caves is both a spiritual center and a natural wonder, where faith and geology intertwine. It's a living testament to the search for sacred spaces carved by nature itself. We cross to Borneo and Mount Kinabalu, Malaysia's highest peak and a sacred site for the Kadazan Dusun people. The climb begins in lush rainforest, ascending through cloud forests to a stark granite summit. Along the way, rare orchids and giant pitcher plants thrive in this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The final ascent is a pre-dawn scramble over bare rock, guided by ropes and starlight. At sunrise, the summit is bathed in color, clouds stretching endlessly below. Standing here feels like witnessing the birth of a new day from the roof of the world. Kinabalu is more than a mountain. It's a vital ecosystem, a cultural icon, and a personal challenge. For Sabah's people, it's a revered ancestor. For visitors, an unforgettable adventure. Mount Kinabalu is a true giant in every sense. Deep in peninsular Malaysia lies Taman Negara, one of the world's oldest rainforests. Entering this ancient realm is like stepping back in time, surrounded by towering trees and a symphony of wildlife. The forest canopy forms a living cathedral, sunlight filtering through layers of green. High above, a canopy walkway offers a rare view into this vertical world, eye level with monkeys and birds. Taman Negara shelters elusive tigers, elephants, and vibrant hornbills, though most remain hidden. At night, the jungle transforms, revealing a new cast of nocturnal creatures. This living museum is a vital carbon sink and a reservoir of biodiversity. Exploring its trails connects us to Earth's deep history and the urgent need for conservation. Taman Negara is a reminder of the wild world we must protect. Off Malaysia's northeast coast, the Perhentian Islands await, simple, serene, and surrounded by crystal-clear waters. The real magic lies beneath the surface, where vibrant coral reefs teem with life. Snorkeling here is like flying over a kaleidoscope of color, schools of fish, waving anemones, and intricate coral gardens. Sea turtles glide gracefully, offering unforgettable encounters in their underwater home. The islands teach us the beauty of simplicity and the fragility of these hidden worlds. The Perhentians are a sanctuary for both marine life and the human spirit. Here, you disconnect from the modern world and reconnect with the ocean's rhythms. It's paradise, pure and simple. Our final stop is Georgetown, Penang, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where history and creativity meet. The city's streets are alive with murals and ironwork, blending heritage with contemporary art. Lithuanian artist Ernest Zacharevich's interactive murals sparked a citywide movement, turning Georgetown into an open-air gallery. Exploring its alleys is a treasure hunt, each mural telling a story of Penang's people and culture. The art invites you to slow down, look closer, and appreciate beauty in the everyday. Georgetown honors its past while embracing the future, revitalizing its historic heart through creativity. Here, art connects people and transforms the city into a living canvas. It's a testament to the power of imagination and community. Our journey through Malaysia ends, but the wonder remains. We've explored towering cities, sacred caves, ancient rainforests, and vibrant reefs. Malaysia is a tapestry of experiences, diverse, dynamic, and deeply moving. I hope this glimpse inspires you to discover its magic for yourself. Until our next adventure, keep seeking the beauty and wonder that surrounds us all.